Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily apply a fast zoom effect with only just one click on your videos in CapCut. So in here, I've already imported a video, and to add the fast zoom effect, you just need to click on the CapCut video effect and then just go to the opening and closing category, then find the fast zoom effect. So just scroll down. Okay, this one, click on that effect and adjust on how fast you want the zoom. For example, I'm going to go with 50, and you can also adjust the range, intensity, and also the filter. When you're done, just click on a check icon, and this is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.